I just got back from Tokyo and I came home to a lot of exciting packages. So for today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing haul, and I feel like it's been quite some time since I did an unboxing video, so I hope you enjoy this video and let's get into it. Let's start with unboxing Meshki items. If you've been following me for some time, you know that I am a huge Meshki fan. I've been wearing their stuff since 2021 and I love them because their style really ranges from basic capsule wardrobe items like bodysuits, tank tops, long sleeves, and etc. to denim collection, resort wear collection, glam style party outfits, and I feel like I own a lot of items from Meshki across all of those collections. So the first item that I wanted to show is this Samantha Rose denim bandeau. Look at this really stunning item. I absolutely love this huge flower detail in the middle. It comes with a matching denim jeans, but it was out of stock for my size, so I couldn't get it. But I think this would really go well with a lot of the items I already own, like leather pants, leather skirt, or denim mini skirt, or denim pants, or wide leg jeans, and etc. So I'm so excited to style this. I feel like I could wear it on top of a white like button-down shirt, or I could even wear an oversized blazer or a leather jacket on top of it. Well, the next item is Frida crepe mini dress. I got it in extra small. I love the square neck style in the front. It's a pretty stretchy material. It is actually really comfortable. I really wanted a simple black dress that I could wear to like weddings in Korea. I could totally dress it up with boots or heels, but I could also dress it down and make it look a little bit casual with sneakers. I feel like this dress would come so handy. I am so excited. The next item is the Laurel beaded mini dress with racer back. It is completely handmade, which is crazy. I don't know if you can see all the beaded details. I feel like this would be the perfect vacation dress or special occasions like anniversaries or birthdays. This comes in black and blue. I don't have a blue dress, so I felt like I would go with something a little different. I will say it is a little heavy, but when I tried it on, it didn't feel too heavy. I'm so excited to style this dress. It is so stunning. Okay, my last item from Meshki is this Artemis lace Bliss off-shoulder top. It is a matching set with this off-shoulder top and a matching skirt. They have this like slit in the front. I love this lace detail. For the top, they have hooks in the front. It really screams like European summer, or like if you're going to a resort, I feel like it would be so perfect. Now let's move on to my next box. It's from a Korean brand called Gateless, but they also ship internationally. The first item is this really cool jeans. It's boots cut on the bottom and it is ripped jeans, but they have like another fabric underneath. It doesn't actually show your skin. I love the faded color. I got it in the size small. It's a little long for me, but I feel like I could just wear it with heels or with my platform loafers. Let's see. So the next item is this tube top. It kind of snatches your waist. Has this like ruched detail on the top, and my favorite part is it is padded inside, so that means I don't have to wear a bra, and I love those kind of tops because it's so convenient. This top would literally go with any kind of bottoms. So the next item is this micro shorts. Very soft and stretchy. It has a rubber band waist detail. In a way, like the stitching detail in the front kind of look like boxers, but I got the perfect pair of tights to style this with, so I'll show you the tights later. Next item, I am so excited. This dress is so cute, but like wait for the back. It is completely backless. I love the pleated like skirt part on the bottom and the backless and the mini length. Like this dress is just so perfect. I got this bolero to style with the dress. Very, very cool. For the sleeves, it kind of looks like this. Has buttons. You can button it or you can just let it open like this. They have shoulder pads, so it makes your shoulders look nice as well. I got this because I wanted to match the dress, but I feel like I could just wear this with the tube top I showed earlier. It's pretty thin and breathable, so I feel like I could totally wear this like even during summer and just like wear it on top of any outfit, and it would like immediately elevate the look. Now I'm gonna move on to my next brand. It is from Uniform Person. I also have some other items from this brand, and I really love their stuff because they create a lot of like everyday outfits that are perfect as an everyday uniform, but they always add a twist to those items to make it very unique. So even if it's like a daily outfit, it's not boring. So the first item is this jean skirt. It is made with a very stretchy material. I love the shirring detail on the waist. I can immediately tell that this skirt will like really make my bum look so nice. It will snugly fit my body and provide like firm support. And you can wear it high-waisted or low-waisted, which again is one of the reasons I love Uniform Person, because there's always more than one way to wear the item and it makes it really practical while being stylish. So the second item that I got, the Angie reversible mock neck top. So you could either wear it like this, or you could wear it like this as the front, and it has their logo in the front. The material is unbelievably so soft. It almost feels like fleece. So excited to style this item with the skirt. I am finally opening my last package. This was a gift from my cute family friend who I've known for such a long time. She really likes this brand and she wanted to gift me a pair of their really cute tights. So this is from a Korean brand called USEA. Packaging is so cute. First, let me open these tights. They mostly sell innerwear and beachwear. This tights is from their holiday collection. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. They have their logo here. Slightly like shimmery tight. A heart cubic detail on the legs. So this burgundy color, they have the heart. They're black tights. It has roses. I have a lot of black tights and I think this color and this heart is so unique. I am so excited. Last item, I didn't know she also got me this one, but it is this really cute rose choker. This is so stunning. Has like little sparkles, so it really like shines from so many different angles. It came in this really stunning pouch, so I'll make sure to store it properly, take really good care of it. So anyways, I had so much fun unboxing these new packages and I'm really excited to style all of these items. I'll definitely post a lot of styling videos on Instagram and TikTok, so follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to see more unboxing hauls, leave a comment. I hope you all have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.